This is the halfway mark of the floor. We're at the halfway mark. Self-adhesive vinyl tiles. The brand is Armstrong. I purchased from Menards. And I want to say it was 73 cents a square foot or per tile. And it's no wax, low maintenance floor. Me and myself, this is the first day. We're at the halfway mark, which, that's my son's socks. Halfway mark, and this is what we're, and just so you know, you do not have to, you want to get up as much as you can, but you don't have to get up every nuance. Because there were places where we tried and I was over it. So we went over what was. So what you see is what we have it almost to the wood, but there were some places where we didn't and went over it, and still looks really, really good, as you can tell. We don't do this for a living. This is just do-it-yourself, homeowner watching on YouTube.